Hello everyone. Welcome back to Global MEP Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to operate a chiller plant step by step. If you are an HVAC technician, site engineer, maintenance engineer, or preparing for an HVAC interview, this video will help you understand the complete operation sequence of a water-cooled chiller plant. By the end of this video, you will know pre-start safety checks, startup sequence, chiller operation, important operating parameters, shutdown procedure, common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. What is a chiller plant? A chiller plant is a centralized cooling system that produces chilled water and supplies it to AHUs and FCUs throughout a building. A typical water-cooled chiller plant includes the chiller, chilled water pumps, condenser water pumps, cooling tower, expansion tank, valves, sensors, and the BMS control system. Step 1. Pre-start inspection. Before starting the plant, always perform these checks. Electrical power supply is available. Emergency stop is reset. Water levels are normal. Cooling tower basin has sufficient water. Pumps are healthy. Isolation valves are open. Air vents are closed after venting. Strainers are clean. No refrigerant leakage. No abnormal vibration. BMS shows no active alarm. Never start a chiller without proper water flow. Step 2. Start cooling tower. First, start the cooling tower fan. Purpose: the cooling tower removes heat from condenser water. Check fan rotation, water distribution, no abnormal sound, basin level. Step 3. Start condenser water pump. Now start the condenser water pump. This pump circulates water between the cooling tower and the chiller condenser. Check pump pressure, flow switch status, no leakage, motor current. Step 4. Start chilled water pump. Next, start the chilled water pump. It circulates chilled water from the evaporator to the building. Check differential pressure, flow rate, pump vibration, motor temperature. Step 5. Start the chiller. Now start the chiller. Most modern chillers first verify water flow, pressure, temperature, safety interlocks. After all conditions are satisfied, the compressor starts automatically. The refrigeration cycle begins. Compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator. This cycle cools the chilled water before it is sent to AHUs and FCUs. Step 6. Monitor operating parameters. Continuously monitor. Leaving chilled water temperature. Entering chilled water temperature. Condenser water temperature. Compressor current. Oil pressure. Refrigerant pressure, flow rate, pump current, tower fan operation. Any abnormal value should be investigated immediately. Step 7. Building cooling. The chilled water reaches AHUs and FCUs. The cooling coil absorbs heat from room air. Warm water returns to the chiller. The cycle continues automatically. Common chiller alarms. Be aware of: high pressure alarm, low pressure alarm, low water flow, low temperature, high condenser temperature, compressor overload, motor overcurrent, sensor failure. Never repeatedly reset alarms without identifying the root cause. Shutdown procedure. Follow the correct shutdown sequence. 1. Stop the chiller. 2. Wait for compressor shutdown. 3. Stop chilled water pump as per system requirement. 4. Stop condenser water pump. 5. Stop cooling tower fan. 6. Record operating data in the logbook. Proper shutdown increases equipment life. Safety tips. Wear PPE. Never bypass safety switches. Check refrigerant leaks regularly. Keep strainers clean. Maintain proper water treatment. Follow the manufacturer's operating manual. Never start a chiller without confirming water circulation. Conclusion. Now you understand the complete operation of a water-cooled chiller plant from pre-start inspection to startup, monitoring, and shutdown. Following the correct sequence improves efficiency, reduces energy consumption, and helps prevent equipment damage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global MEP Academy.